Students, in the last video we have completed the poem line by line with the explanation, and in this video we are going to have some summary and critical analysis of the poem. So let's start our video and have some summary of the poem. The poem 3 Years You Grew is one of Wordsworth's best poetry collection, Lucy poems, and Lucy poems are basically love lyrics. The poem 3 Years She Grew, written in 1799 and published in 1800. In this poem, Lucy is represented as a lovely 3 years old cute baby girl. And when nature looked at this baby, she called the beautiest flower which ever bloomed on this earth. And then Mother Nature takes a decision that I will make this little baby grown up with my own hand, with my own hard work. Thus, Lucy is taken up by Mother Nature to be educated under her own care with reasonable control. Mother Nature imagines or plans to provide every hard and soft aspect of life so that she can experience and can face the life very well. Nature promises to build her into an almost perfect woman. When Lucy will be grown up as a lady, she will be just a reflection of Mother Nature. But the girl suddenly died, and the hopes and aspirations of the poet are shattered into pieces. Both poet and nature remained alone and filled with grief. If we think other title of the poem, which can be the education of nature, because in every line, in the whole poem, nature is trying to educate this little baby named by Lucy. Why? To educate with the help of soft object of nature, with the help of hard object of nature. For example, poet writes about storm or strong winds, and about if you think about soft object, poet uses uh, clouds, twinkling stars, beautiful objects like fun. Means through every aspect of nature, uh, poet wants to educate this little baby Lucy with the help of nature, because for Wordsworth, education is really what which comes to experience. So that Wordsworth wants that Lucy should experience every hard and soft aspect of life which is essential to face the struggle of life. And if we want to have some critical analysis which can be like this, for first point of the critical analysis is Wordsworth poetry and education of nature. When Wordsworth started to write, the social background was that society was running after earning money. Everyone wants to just earn money, eat, and die. At that time, Wordsworth wrote or raised his pain and to say the people that come towards nature, return to nature. There is an beautiful object or strong object which has God prepared for human being, which is nature. According to Wordsworth, nature is sufficient to teach every lesson of human life. And in all his poetry, uh, every poetry written by him is full of education of nature. And the leading thought in this poem we may compare is that the growth of mind under the influence of nature. And the second point is nature's educative influence. If we think about this point, that how can nature's educative influence can prepare a human being to face the life, is that the poem 3 Years She Grew is uh, contains the most detailed experience or exposition of nature's moral and educative influence upon a human creative being, living in a close and constant communication with nature. The critics and in the second stanza we think that nature tries to influence, or nature tries to affect the mind of Lucy. Nature tries to educate the mind of Lucy because she used that floating clouds of the estate salon and willow tree, means she uses soft object to educate or to fill the emotions of happiness in her mind, so that Lucy can be full of tendency or full of softness. In the third point, the theory of natural education. If we think that how natural education is possible or is successful in a man's life, obviously it is successful if a man uh, lives continuously in the contact with nature. He can learn everything, whether it is hard or it is soft, which is almost essential of life. Nature can provide to a human being, because nature is the representative of the God, and it leads us and tells us how to live our life. Theory of natural education in the poem lay stress upon the spiritual, moral, and physical, emotional culture of the girl whom nature decided to adopt for her pupil. The intellectual development, which is the chief point in the book's education, is only implied and not clearly mentioned, because at this stage, because Wordsworth is called priest of nature. And next point of critical analysis is Lucy's education. The poem 3 Years He Grew personifies nature as a teacher who speaks of Lucy in the first stanza. Mother Nature, a lovelier flower on the earth was never sown. Then Lucy then determines to take the child and make her a lady of her own. And in the second stanza, we see that how nature is effective Lucy's mind step by step. For example, in the first stanza, nature, Wordsworth wrote about beautiful scenes of nature so that Lucy can live a memorable childhood. And in the second stanza, Wordsworth throw the light of on the education of the mind of Lucy. This idea is elaborated. Nature will be to the child both law and impulse, and have power to kindle or restrain. The world, rock, plain, earth, glade, power, all serve to emphasize Lucy's closeness to nature. And last point is fundamental truth about human life. The poem convincingly detailed a fundamental truth of human life is that when we return to nature, are merged again. So Wordsworth's his main slogan, "Return to nature," is repeated in the poem again. We are merged again, and that the loss is with the living who must find acceptance. The use of personification works well here, though it could easily have traversed into serious idea, and there is a pattern of antithesis to be traced, for example, in law and impulse, kindle or restraint. And finally, if we critically analyze the poem, the main thing which Wordsworth wants to convey is that nature is sufficient to make our life happy, make our life peaceful. So, in the in this in this poem, Wordsworth wants to say us, Wordsworth wants to have a message for us, which is return to nature and live with the affection towards nature.